Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So this week vlog is going to be a little bit more special because I am going to be spending it with my family for the first time 4 months since the mess started. As you guys know, I'm an essential worker, so I avoided them at all costs. Um, I don't have any issues at my job. There's not been any, you know, crazy situation where gladly my kind of job I do, you do wear PPE at all time, even before this. So that does help a lot. But it's just so good to see my mother. Everybody else was my niece and nephew, my stepfather, and then my brother gave me the drive-by. He was ready to leave. He looked at me like he saw me yesterday, and he hasn't seen me even longer. He hasn't seen me since the January 2nd. My mom saw me the first week of February. So hers is just 4 months, but he just was like. Anyway, I was reading and I had to pause because I'm cleaning their backyard. It's a holiday weekend. I feel like it's just I need to clean it for them. I mean, they can't do it. They're retirement age, and clean it up, and then tomorrow do some kind of decorating, plant some flowers, and put some tent up and enjoy the weekend with them. And hopefully they'll have this floor so they can come out the house and hang out in the backyard during the day because it's a really good size back. I mean, it's way bigger than my small deck. So we're doing the most, and you can see. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, she was acting real funny when she saw me because she hasn't saw me in so long. But this is my dog that they have, and I think she's a little bit upset with me, but she'll get over it. So yeah, I'm using my phone, so it might be a little weird, but I didn't want to bring my camera out here because it is messy. You can see how sweaty I am, and this is the gloves I was using. It's a little disgusting, but yeah, but that's how it's gonna go. Reading. Oh, I'm reading contemporary and some romance this weekend. I want some really feel-good moment books, and so in the next clip I'll show you what I'm reading when I get inside. So I'll show you what the books I'm reading, and what I finished already. I mean, this is the 2nd of July and I already finished a book. So it's a good thing about contemporary romance. You could fly through those books. So yeah, to the next one. Hey guys, so it is the next day because a girl was tired from all that cleaning, which I'm not done. I'm going to actually go back outside in about a few minutes to clean up some more before any kind of stuff, planting and decorating go on. We still have a lot of junk to get rid of. But what I've read The Boyfriend Project, and but I'm gonna talk about that later. It's my first one I completed. Currently reading Butterfly 2. Now this one had me screaming a few times, and there's finally some movement going on because this author is known to drag you on, but she does it in a way that you are addicted. You are addicted. You want to know more, and you keep buying the books as they come out. So this one, there's this particular where I'm at. I'm see wait chapter 19 I'm starting, but not starting, but I'm about 2 more pages left in this chapter. But this chapter, the chapter before that was this, they had some reveal that we've been waiting for since Ethic 6. So this spin-off is like she waited to the second book. I think she got the hint that we're ready. We are ready for some true disclosure of this particular character's life. So I was here for it. I screamed a little. I was like, yes, and I was like, what? Then the main character in this, I'm still irritated with her. She can't make a decision to save her life. So that's where I'm at with this, but I'm enjoying it. So sorry guys, the lighting is gonna be in and out because I don't want to turn the light on. But also Dee Dee is doing a summer read along. This is my 3rd summer read along I've done with her. Yeah, this is the 3rd. Now this book, Chintu, is I met this author at Brooklyn Book Festival maybe about 2 years ago. So, you know, this is it was personalized, signed, and I picked it up to read it. I got to about 72, and guys, I don't remember what I read. So this is gonna be one of those where I'm gonna have to reread the stuff that I read already, because I don't remember what I've read. But this is her. I'll leave a link to her video. She has a good read group that you can, if you want to get into to discuss. Her summer read-alongs are always interesting, and also I like her reading group because you can talk about the book as you go and discuss it with other people. So if you're interested in picking this up, it's going to be for the entire month of July, and on top of that you can get to discuss the book with other people. So yeah, so this is, I'm gonna read probably the pages I've read before at some point later on today, but like I said, I'm gonna go do some more cleaning, and yeah, that's where we're at right now. And I will check into you this, because this is a 100-page. Probably gonna finish this today. It is fast-paced, guys. It's fast-paced. You literally fly through this. So I'm gonna finish this book today. Yeah. Hey guys, so I had to go to the store. Strange. Feels strange. The area is definitely much quieter. Driving going on. A lot of people on bicycle. Bicycle seems to be the thing right now. And so people out here, no mask. No damn mask. Not feeling that. But I gotta get some jerk season and some cauliflower, since I'm gonna be cooking tomorrow and hanging out. The backyard is so much better than I thought it would be. Being that a lot of the things that I wanted is sold out. I mean, if you want any patio stuff, sold out. So I had to do the best that we could, and it looks so much better. Like, guys, it looks so much better. So happy about that. But yeah. Hi guys, so today is the 4th, which is going to be just a family barbecue. So it's 5 of us, my mom, my stepfather, and my niece and nephew. So, but I wanted the backyard to look presentable, even though it's still a lot of work, because most of the stuff we needed we couldn't get. It was all sold out. But I'm going to show you the plants that we do have, which I kind of regret not getting her veggies and stuff to take care of, because I thought she wouldn't be interested. And then last night she said no, she would have loved to have some herbs and vegetable. So I'm going to get her some of that the next time. But for right now, she just got flowers. So yeah, so these don't look too great, but they're coming along. They'll be fine out here as long as they get rain and sun. And then I picked these up, and it got rain on last night, so they look like they're okay. They still looks, you know, there's like a bud coming here. This is my mom's stuff. I don't know what kind of plant this is, but she has this for years, and it always comes back in spring. So I need to know what kind of plant this is. And then there's this over here, and then here goes another one, which is mainly just for decoration. And over here I have another one, which there's more buds to come in, so I guess when these wake up a little bit, they'll look better. This is something she planted a long time ago, and this is also something that comes back every spring. I don't know what kind of plant that is. And you can see all these vines that she has on the wall, the fence, I mean. And then I got her this one, which I'm hoping it gets enough sun, because it's a bit in a shady area. But this is a chair that she bought many years ago for one of my niece and nephew, and she likes using it as to put pottery on. I literally was going to throw it away, and she said, no, that's my little pottery stuff. And that's okay, fine. And we usually get, this area is concrete, and we usually get the the grass carpet, but guys, it was completely sold out. So this is going to be a one-time deal for today, because I just imagine how dirty it's going to be. See all those paws? That's this critter over here. That's her paws all over this. It sucks that we couldn't get the fake grass for this area, but it is what it is. And then couldn't get the umbrella, because this umbrella over here is no good. Got holes. But we couldn't get any umbrella. That was all sold out. So this table doesn't have an umbrella, but I'm gonna do some writing today. And yeah, so that's the backyard. But compared to what it was before, way better. Like, we're talking way better. It was, we had weeds all over. I had to pull out so many bushes and stuff, and I think that's why my lower back and my butt, my thighs hurt, because it's all a lot of squatting, because they don't have any weed whacker. So I was doing the most, and paying the price right now. But yeah, and then, you know, I still got on the same clothes from yesterday, because guys, I still wasn't done. I had to spray down. Hey, good morning.
I turned the cold water off because it's leaking. You want it back on?
No, I sprayed down. I cleaned this.
Huh?
I cleaned it already with the other water. Yeah, I had to clean the grill and scrub it down. I'm gonna use this one. But you have charcoal?
Got plenty of stuff.
Okay. As long as we have.
Plenty of aluminum foil too.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm gonna go down to Fairway and want some more chicken or something?
Wings? You got wings?
I'll see.
Oh, where's the ground turkey?
It's in the fridge, the big fridge.
Not in the freezer, right? Just the fridge? Alright.
So let me check.
So yeah, I'm waking up everybody, guys. It's super early, but my stepfather is the G. He's making sure we got food. So yeah. But alright, I'm gonna do some writing. I need to do my my June wrap-up for my blog. I haven't done it yet. And today I'm gonna edit I edited already, upload the wrap-up for YouTube. So yeah, that's today for now. Hey guys, so didn't show a lot of footage of me reading, because it's, you know, it's just a family vlog. I just wanted to like add a little bit of me seeing my family for the first time in like 4 months, and enjoy them. So yesterday I didn't really vlog much. I didn't really show most of the food either, but it was just nice. I'm still here. I'm still enjoying another day, and so I'm going to talk about the 2 books that I did finish, which was pretty, in the last 5 days, not bad. You know, of course I could have probably read more, but if I wasn't so wrapped up in enjoying my family time. So yeah. So the first book I read was an arc that I got about a month and a half ago, before the release date. The release date was June 9th. Didn't get to it. Plus it was like the day before Caribbean-a-thon, and I was planning for that, and I had started reading another book, so I didn't get to it, but I did finally read it. It's The Boyfriend Project by Farah Roshan. Now, I heard of her because she always popped up on Instagram, not Instagram, Twitter, but I've never read anything from her, and this was my first. This romance I thought was okay. It wasn't something that I would definitely like scream and said yes, it was the best thing ever, because it really wasn't. But what I would say is, it is a story about a girl who is very gifted. She's a go-getter. She has this personality of the woman who has to work 10 times better to get ahead, but has her mission and purpose and things she wants to do. And she was dating a guy that she set up a date for that particular day. He canceled on her, but still kept the reservation for what that she made, and took another woman out there. And while there, the woman was basically sharing her experience on social media, and she found out about it, so she went there, and turned out there was a third girl. So all 3 of them were dating the same guy, who was lying to them and telling them stories that were everything about him was a lie. And they bonded over that, but it also was captured on social media. So it became this viral sensation and all that happening. So right now, when she went to her job, there was this man who knew hire, but he has motive because he's actually an undercover who is trying to figure out who's laundering money internationally. And while he's there supposed to be doing his job, he took interest in her, and that's the romance about it. Now, I didn't really think the romance was that great. I think I was more interested in the friendship, the three girls, and how they're able to become really good friends through this situation. I really liked that part of the story, and I thought it was really, really good. But the romance to me was just okay. So overall, it's like a 3-star romance. It's not. Can see myself giving it more than that, but sorry, but it's okay. So the book that really got me is Butterfly 2. Guys, this book, so good. So good. I think she may have took some advice and not dragged this one, because that moment we all have been waiting for since ethics, the fifth ethics, happened in this one. Now, I am Team Messiah. Even though towards the end he made a emotional decision that's probably going to cost a lot of people some drama, I still am Messiah. I don't care them about no Meek, and I don't even care for Morgan. Like, I really wish in my head, like, that he should be with Blue. Like, in my mind, I'm like him and Team and Blue, because I feel like Blue really care about him. I think Morgan is such a is unsure about herself that I don't think she's capable of loving anyone, and she constantly do things to get herself in a situation where they all have to come rescue her. And there's a part in this book when Ethics show up. You guys know I love me some Ethics. Like, Ethic is my boo, my man, my book boyfriend, you know, my crush. And there's a part when he said that Morgan is searching for everybody, searching for things in everybody for Messiah. Like, Messiah is her heart, but in Meek, she sees things about me in Meek that remind her of Messiah. She sees things about, you know who, the book alone, in him as well, little things about it. And she's like doing all of this, thinking that this is the way to be, and not really making a decision and stringing on these men. I don't like it. I don't like all these men fighting over her. I still don't think she's all that. No, 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 no. Even Alani was a much better catch than Morgan. I don't get it. But I am Team Messiah, and I hope his ass don't end up with her, because she don't deserve him at all. She don't deserve him. Messiah is not perfect, but to me, he's a much, out of all three men, a much more, like you can say, kind-hearted, and means the best. Meek, I don't even know what's going on with Meek. Meek, just, to me, something's just not right with him. And I kind of feel like somebody gonna die. Let me know if you read it. Do you feel like somebody gonna die at some point? That's the only way I think it's gonna all make sense. And also the end, again, where is her faith in ethics? We all know Ethic can fix every damn thing. That man is superpower, super everything, super fine, super everything in my head. And something like this happened, and you don't run to him. You don't say, "Hey, this happened. I said this." You know, that's how I know she doesn't have faith in anybody, because Ethics could easily fix this situation. Like, he got that much balls and power and guts, and he's not gonna go down like she think he's gonna go down by going with this idiot to another country with the kids that belong to their Messiah. Oh my God. So, as you can see, I'm emotional about this series. I am so invested. Guys, if you've never heard of Ethics, it is an urban fiction. And the first 6 books is called Ethics. And then this is a spin-off, and this is the second book in the spin-off. So if you think about it, the storyline, this is number 8. in the storyline if you think about how she did it, because it's a spin-off but it's a continuation. And I'm so invested. I will continue reading her damn books. I think she sucked me in. Yes, what's her name? Ashley Antoinette. She just sucked me in. And I'm apologize to all the people who got sucked into, because there's quite a few you guys were telling me already that you finished this book. So I know you guys got sucked into the series, but it is that addicting. It is fast paced. It is drama filled. And it's not for everybody, but if you do get into this and you get hooked, my bad. I'm sorry. But I feel you, because I'm addicted. Because watch me look forward to this freaking third book in the series. So yeah. So I'm going to end this here and go and edit, chill and eat. It's still a beautiful day, and I'm enjoying outside. I'm really enjoying the outside space that we have right now. It's not perfect, but you guys, there's plans for the backyard. There's definitely going to be some furniture update. There's going to be some other things that's going to happen, but it's just more so for next year, to be honest with you, because it's late in the game to get a lot of things that we wanted. But that's it. But thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye.